Imagine walking down the aisle in this exquisite rich pearl headband. It is by far one of my favorite designs. It sits so beautifully on the head and you feel truly exquisite, really rich and majestic. It's just such a divine design. It's a little bit bolder and it would need to be propped with a few bobby pins for it to be a bit more secure in your hairdo. But let me know what you think. We had so many 5-star reviews from our gorgeous brides all around the world, and we love bringing you joy and exquisite high quality pieces that you love and cherish and feel adored on your big day. If you'd love yours, take a look at my soulmate wedding on Etsy and our entire team will be thrilled to assist you.